Marshall Money, Marshall Money. Okay, we are. This is my current portfolio at the time. If you are seeing this, this is. If you don't know the date, but you'll be able to see it on the YouTube video. Okay, right now, best play. I'm solely focusing on this Tesla because it just came out with earnings. As you can, if you're following it, you can tell they beat earnings like a lot. So as you can see here, very clearly, earnings came out right. As soon as they came out, shoot, the stock just spiked like $11 or something like that. It's insane. 62 to 79. Like, that is a lot. That's over $11. Let's see, 62, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. That's $17, my friends. That's a lot. That's a whole lot. As you can tell, you don't need to be very witty and smart to make money in the stock market. Although it helps, of course, but nowadays we have calculators and you can do all the things you need to on those. But or just use your fingers, That's what I do. I just count on my fingers. Some people look at me weird, but it doesn't really matter. Who cares? Okay, this is the levels we're looking at. I'm gonna make this really quick, really simple. This is my first video. It's 1:42 in the morning. My second video, and I'm getting tired, but that's okay. I'm still here for you guys, and I'm still gonna make this because this is important. If you're investing in Tesla, you definitely want to watch this video. Okay, let's get it. The bottom of the range is around this 275 level, okay? If it comes back down, we want to see it bounce off of this level. Easily comes down, bounces off somewhat like this, if not with more green candles, bigger, stronger. We want to see this support level hold up a lot, comes down, hits this 275, and then bounces off immediately, right? If we see that, it's a good sign that we will continue to head back to the upside, whether that is in this mid-range here around this 278 level or all the way to the top around this 284. Now, the goal is, I'm holding a long position. The goal is to break to this 284 level and move to the upside. I do believe it will come back up to here at least 282 levels and test it before it either moves past this or breaks below this. Okay, this is the plan, right? I was thinking to take some profits, shave some profits off here at this 282 level. Wait until it breaks this 284 and then re-enter, right? But that would move my cost base all the way up to around here, which is, I don't want to do that. It doesn't sound very appeasing to me. However, if it comes back down to this 275 level and breaks below, you have one or two options. You can sell out and make less money than if you were to sell out at this 282 level, then it comes back down, right? Or you can hold, it will come back down closer to your break even, and you can wish and pray for it to go up. And the last thing you want to do in the stock market is wish and pray for something to happen. If you're praying for something to happen, you don't have a clear-cut plan. And you should always have a clear-cut plan, even though it gets hard sometimes, emotional sometimes. When I first got into this, it was back here, right? And you could see I got in right around this area here, boom, 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 and it dropped. I got in right at this this rebound here, right? Tested the support, rebounded, it went up, felt good about it. Then it dropped again, right? And I just sat back and trusted the process. And the whole goal is for Tesla to hit $1 trillion market cap. Once it hits $1 trillion market cap, that's a lot of money. That's a good percentage, especially if you're investing a lot into this company. So, some things we need to watch. This is 5-minute candles. Let's go to the daily candles, get a better time frame. This was the resistance level, right? Around this 279 level. It's kind of lower, but this was the resistance level. And I had a short notification in here because if it comes back up to here, it's probably going to come back down here to this 257 level. But that was before the earnings came out, and they absolutely crushed deliveries with 466,000 cars delivered when all the expectations were 450,000 or so. So that resistance line I do believe is now void, and we will be heading back up to this $300 level. Now this sell limit at $300, that is temporary at the moment, okay? If it spikes back up, continues to push higher, I will most likely take this sell order and cancel it and wait until we hit these all-time highs and continue to push higher, okay? However, the strategy that I just explained here about shaving a little bit off, waiting for it to break that resistance line and then getting back in, that is also what I'm thinking about doing right here, just to mitigate that risk. Not even risk. You're not risking anything at this point. You're making a lot of money, but maximize your upside. And instead of it coming up to here, you didn't sell, and then it drops all the way back down, and you have to sell because it's getting too close to your break even. You don't make any money. You might as well come up to here, take some profits off, wait for it to break this resistance line. Then it's a clear-cut path all the way back up to these all-time highs. That is a wise decision, wise investing decision, because you are maximizing your upside potential. And these are all things that you guys will learn in the videos. I'm going to make this one really quick, but right above here, these are the variables that you need to watch out for. If it continues to push higher, right, and it doesn't retrace back, it just pumps. We're most likely going to see a pretty strong retracement back down to around this level, around this 275s. It's just natural, you know. Eventually, we will see a move all the way back down these 246 levels. We don't know when yet, okay? This stock could push up, retrace slightly, continue to push to all-time highs. That's why it's important to continue to check into this channel, because I will continuously update this, and the plans change every single day, every single minute of the day, depending on what is going on with the price action and how the news is lining up, and the economy, the overall market can just shift one day, and the whole prediction of it hitting these all-time highs would completely reverse, and you need to sell your positions for a profit and then get in a short position. It's very important to stay up to date with these videos and put on your notifications. It'll make it a lot easier on you. You just get notified whenever I post. I hope you make a lot more money. But that is what we're looking at here, okay? We want to keep our eyes out for it to hold above this 276 level in the next 2 days. And that is mainly because we don't want to see another dip. That's a sign of weakness, and that's a sign that this is mostly a fake out. Now, a lot of the shorts have already started to cover their short positions, which means everyone that is betting for the stock to go lower have bought their shares back, which in turn pushes the stock even higher. Now, that could have been the pre-market spike we were looking at in this 5-minute chart here, that $17 spike here. However, there's still a lot of shorts hoping for that downside. They will continue to cover, which in turn will push the stock higher. All we need is the greater fool to come in and buy it for a higher price. At that point in time, we'll see this thing surging. Tesla is a good company. Long term, it's most likely going to continue to run higher. However, we are here to maximize our upside, okay? Which means getting out at the top and shorting down, and then getting back out at the bottom, which means you make money up on the downs, even on the sideways. However, we focus mostly on the ups and the downs for now, okay? Sideways is kind of more advanced. We'll get into that at a later date. However, my friends, that's what we're looking at Tesla. And thank you guys for watching. I will catch you guys in the next video. Marshall Money out.